Hey everyone! If you're looking for an easy way to earn passive income using AI, you're going to love this. In today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new side hustle that's perfect for beginners. It's simple, low cost, and doesn't require any tech skills. And the best part? You can start making money without ever showing your face online. All you need to do is head over to Google and type in the kind of business you want to work with, along with a city. Now, here's the cool part. It doesn't have to be your city. It can be anywhere. That means this opportunity is wide open. You can look up landscapers, chiropractors, plumbers, you name it. And because nearly every city has hundreds of these businesses, this strategy is never going to be oversaturated. There's a huge need out there, and that's where we step in. Once you've typed in the business type and city, hit search, and you'll instantly see dozens of businesses pop up. Click into any one of them and find their website. What you're looking for is simple. Do they have an automated chat feature on their site? In many cases, the answer is no. That's your opportunity to offer real value. You can let the business owner know that you can set up an AI-powered chatbot that handles customer questions instantly. No more waiting on phone calls or manually replying to emails. This alone can save a business a ton of time and money. Now let's move into step 2, how to actually create the bot using AI. We're going to use a powerful platform called Funnel Freedom. I'll leave a link to it below. Once you've created your free account, go into the settings on the left-hand side and scroll to the Conversation AI section. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to build a custom bot that handles live chat, Facebook and Instagram DMs, website messages, pretty much everything. If you're wondering, but I don't know anything about their business, don't worry. Funnel Freedom has a built-in tool that solves this. Just copy the business's website URL, paste it into the bot training section, and click Get Data. The software will scan the entire site and teach the AI bot all about the business. And if there's anything missing, you can simply ask the business owner for the most common questions they get, like business hours or services offered, and manually add those into the system. Once the bot has been trained, you can test it right there inside the platform. Try asking it questions like, "What are your hours?" or "Do you offer landscaping in my area?" You'll see just how smart and responsive the bot becomes in a matter of minutes. It can even hold full conversations and guide potential customers through their services. And here's where it gets even better. You can actually install this chatbot directly on their website. Not only does it improve customer service, but it can also book appointments automatically. That means the business might no longer need someone answering phones or handling bookings. The AI bot does it all, answering questions, providing info, and even scheduling appointments. That's a massive value add for local businesses, and it gives you the chance to charge for a service that truly makes a difference. So, in just a few minutes, you've learned how to find local businesses, offer them a solution they likely don't even know they need, and build it with AI in record time. This is one of the easiest and most effective ways to start making money online right now. Leveraging technology to solve real-world problems. I've included a link in the description so you can dive in and start building your first AI-powered side hustle today.